All right, first tile is down. Very, very easy to do. This part is, at least. Really, everything that has to do with the gasket process is very easy. Spoil board, on the other hand, gave me a run for my money. All right, gaskets are on. It is not a pretty application though. First time, and they are somewhat stretchy. So definitely a technique, but not bad for the first time. We're gonna throw a piece on here and we're gonna see what happens. But it's definitely, I can see already how this is gonna be a benefit. And I was just kind of explaining it to the guys. Basically, the vacuum's gonna pull this and it's gonna compress a little bit of this foam. And yes, your through cut will cut into the gasket, but kind of different than the spoil board. Once you cut into the spoil board, like, it's done. That's a vacuum leak. But with the gasket, it's gonna compress and it's basically gonna make all that flat again when you have a piece on there. This is a run of birch that is imported that we're doing for Phil. He's doing a little vanity project for his in-laws. And this is one of 2 cuts that we're doing, a bunch of drawers. I just wanted to point out, again, this piece is maybe 2 inches and it is hanging off the edge down here. Did not budge. I mean, come on. Ain't moving. I mean, ain't budging. So, that right there, I mean, doesn't get any better than that. Oh, and just so you may be wondering, this would have taken us over an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours to get all of these parts just for this one cabinet, cut out, dadoed, rabbets, shelf pins, drawer slides, like drawer boxes. Like, this all would have taken us well over 2 hours to be done and built, or I should say cut out. I think it did it in 8.5 minutes. 8.5 minutes. Absolutely wild. Oh, Phil said 6. Okay, so things are going very smoothly. Gaskets are performing extremely well. We've not had any pieces break free. We even cut out some small drawer parts that are literally right on the edge and no movement whatsoever. And this piece, or the piece before this, actually had a little bit of a bow in the plywood, and I left it on purpose because I wanted to see if it was going to hold well, and it did. Very, very, very impressed with this. Absolutely stoked for how well this is working. We are on our second sheet for a second job of a 4-sheet job. I know that was a tongue twister. What I'm trying to say is we're printing money. Let's leave it at that.